In the world of hit songs, the first take is almost never the final take. A professional performance is built through the strategic use of multiple takes. Amateurs record until they get it right. Professionals record until they have a wealth of elite options. This abundance is the secret to a world-class master recording. Recording multiple takes is the foundation of comping. By capturing several versions of each line, you provide the engineer with the materials needed to construct a perfect, seamless performance. Start with the safe take. This is your anchor performance, a technically perfect, emotionally solid take that covers the entire section. Once you have this, the creative exploration can begin. The true power of multiple takes is emotional variation. Use each take to explore a different side of the lyrics. Try one take with more grit, one with more breath, and one with a more conversational feel. Multiple takes also provide the raw material for layering and double tracking. These doubles add thickness and width to your choruses, creating that expensive radio-ready sound. At this level, organization is non-negotiable. Label your takes clearly as you go. A messy session leads to missed opportunities and wasted time during the comping process. Your producer is looking for the spark. They listen for the tiny vocal nuances, the way a word catches or the honesty in a breath, that make a specific take the golden take. Manage your energy. Recording multiple takes is physically demanding. Learn when to take a 5-minute break to keep your voice and your emotional connection fresh for the entire session. Review your takes during the session. This iterative loop allows you to identify what's missing and adjust your performance for the next take, ensuring constant improvement. Technically, comping is about finding the best transients. You want the sharpest consonants and the most stable vowels from your different takes to create the final master track. The XMP Artist Academy holds you to the highest professional standard of session management. Your ability to provide elite options is what will define your recording career. Tip number 1. Focus on the golden note. In every section, identify the most important emotional peak and record as many variations of that note as possible. Second, intentionally shift your emotion between takes. Don't just give the same performance 5 times. Give 5 different versions of the song's story. Your assignment for Lesson 4 is to record 5 complete takes of a single chorus. Each take must have a distinct emotional focus. Label them clearly in your DAW. You are building the creative inventory of a professional. Take this assignment seriously, and you will master the art of the perfect vocal recording. I look forward to hearing your 5 versions. We'll see you in Lesson 5 for Studio Session Workflow. Go create something extraordinary. Happy producing!